Hi, everybody. All right, now you're getting ready to start doing your note catcher about figurative language. So, down here below in your assignment, you have the figurative language hangout. You're going to want that to be open. I have it open right here. You're going to want to open up the explaining quotes figurative language note catcher. That is right here. And I already have that opened up as well. And you're also going to want to open up your copy of the Dreaming Tree, which I have right there. And you can see that I have it open right here. All right. And so, what I want to do is let's talk about the figurative language table first, right here. There. All right, so inside of your workbook, it's probably somewhere between page 66 and 70, maybe a little bit after that, but the thing we were doing today was on page, I think, 66, so it should be pretty close after. All right, so you'll go to this page, Explaining Quotes, Figurative Language Note Catcher. You're going to look at the first quote. It says, "It is a powerful tree. Those who sleep there must be strong of heart. Anyone without a strong heart might use the knowledge of the forest against our people." So I remember that quote, but I don't remember what the context was, like exactly what was happening. That's why I need you to go back to the Dreaming Tree and try to find a quote. So look for the fact that it is a powerful tree. I think that's when his grandpa goes to the tree with him and does the sleeping. So I think, yes, right here. See, when at last his grandfather awoke, he hurried to Eueka's side. "You must never speak of this tree to anyone. It is a powerful tree. Those who sleep here must be strong of heart." All right, anyone without a strong heart might use the knowledge of the forest against our people. Now, what you need to do next is go in and put in your context. So I think the context would be it was right after his grandpa had asleep underneath the Dreaming Tree. So you're going to write this in your book, but I'm just going to type it to show you. Okay, Eueka's grandfather tried out the Dreaming Tree and had a warning for Eueka. Boom. I think that adds a little context. Now, here it is. What does this help us understand? What I really want you to do is first try to figure out what kind of figurative language this is. So now that means you got to go back to your figurative language handout. Does this compare two things using a like or an as? So let's go back over. I don't see a like or an as. Anyone without a strong heart might use the knowledge of the forest against our people. So I don't think that it's a simile. Could it be a metaphor? Are we comparing a heart to something else? Like, for instance, America is a melting pot, or you are a rat. Probably not, but is that just an expression to say that you're strong of heart? Your heart is strong? Right. It's just an expression, and we know that it means that your heart can take a lot, that you're pretty much a kind and moral person if you have a strong heart. That means that you can't be broken easily. All right. So I think, right, that this would be probably explaining to us, right? Maybe it it explains that people who aren't kind, right? Kind and giving might take the power and use it for evil. Right. And now the source is already there given to you. All right, so I'm going to stop with this, and you can pause anytime you need to, but I can't make a YouTube video be too long. So I'm going to end this one right here and just have it be one line. And then I'm going to do a video that has a couple of lines next. But let's stop right here. Come right back to me on a new video, though.